welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're down here. We're at 252 list race. It's Thursday night. You can see there is not a cloud in the sky. Well, there's clouds, but I don't think it's going to rain. What's up, sir? How are you? But we're down here, 252 list race. I'm spot number 7. I got to race Thurman. Spot number 8. It's that nice rat rod looking. I don't know what year it is, but a slick rat rod. I guess I should call it a hot rod, not a rat rod, because it is not a piece of crap. But we're out here. We're going to list race tonight. We got 3 passes we're going to make. We're going to try to go up the list. 7, 6. There's a chance we could get back to spot number 5. So that's what we're going to try to do tonight. Basically going to put the tune-up in it that I had at Shady Side on the no prep. Run good. It was consistent. So we're going to try that and see what happens. Y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com to pick you up some t-shirts, and make sure you hit that join button if you want to join our weekly live chats. All right, y'all stay tuned and check it out. All right, we're out here. We got Randy, we got Zach. Nick came out again and his son, Nicholas. So this is the truck we got to race first round. It's a Dodge. I didn't even know what it was. I called it a rat rod, but it's a hot rod, and it is awesome. Braxton Performance. This is David Braxton's dad. He's going to try to kick my T-pin. I'm sure it's going to be a good race. This thing is sweet. What year is this one?
1939.
1939. I called it a rat rod earlier, but then I changed that and said it's more of a hot rod because it's actually, I mean, it's really nice. Rat rods you think of kind of being, yeah, rat rods you kind of think of being not as nice but cool, but this one is freaking awesome. That one is freaking awesome. There's David Braxton. Were you? Braxton Performance over there. He just got back from California doing some tuning on some street outlaw stuff. Oh.
I'm just here to get an autograph.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Look, can I get... there's the Rick Bostic. Are you number 1 right now? Who are you racing tonight? Who's number 2? Henry Dale. Man, y'all are fighting it back and forth. All right, here we go. So we got first round coming up. This thing's going to be awesome. All right, guys, we got the win on the first round. We got lucky. Thurman was having some issues, and I think he said he forgot to turn on the little quarter turn valve. So mine spun again. We got to race our buddy Ron in this beautiful S10. He's been cracking my head. Man, that thing is so black, you can't even hardly, it's absorbing all the lights. That is crazy. So you see, he's got a YouTube channel now. Ron Carter. What's your YouTube channel? Carter Racing. And he's got some cameras, so he's gonna get some footage too. So y'all go follow, go like, comment, and subscribe on his channel. He's working on it. He's new to the YouTube thing, so go check his channel out. This thing is all over there. I was just telling them, with my camera, the truck is so black it's absorbing all the light. It's like a black hole. That is freaking, it's beautiful. In the contrast, I've got, yeah. All right, good luck, sir.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, we got the win against Ron Carter. That was a good race. It was a very good race. It was really strong. It looked like we left about the same and out track a little bit. I had a little bit of boost on it down track. You can see early in the run, right here, the green line with the dip. I got nervous and I pedaled it. I probably shouldn't have pedaled it there, but I did, and it recovered. I don't think it was going to spin. What y'all think? Y'all think it was? I think it was going to go right on down.
Yeah, it was going.
I think it was going to go. We went that was not quite personal best out here for Kinston, but that's pretty close to personal best at Kinston. We've only went faster that one time when we were on radials down here.
That was our personal best.
That was our personal best when
we spun every damn.
and then every other time we've been spinning.
The track was exceptional.
So, I mean, track looked good tonight.
The track was great.
Oh, then when I got the personal best, that's right. That's exactly right. So tonight is regular test and tune night. So, you know, it's one of those things, test and tune 252 list, which they were prepping the track, so the track seemed like it was okay. But yeah, so the track was really good. It was really tight that night when we were down here at Kinston, or that day, that Saturday, that was the race your way on. But that was a good pass, guys. I'm not unhappy with that at all. That was not bad. I appreciate y'all coming out and helping tonight. It's always fun. We're having a good time. And now what's even more fun is we got a bye, essentially. So we're going from spot number 7 to spot number 5. Boom, y'all. That's good. That's progress. We have been falling backwards for the last 2 months. I honestly thought we were going to get knocked off the
I
list.
think that was mine and Randy's fault, really.
How was it your fault?
It's because we missed the driver's meeting and we fell back.
One time.
We were supposed to have a bye to the next spot, and we ended up going
Your
backwards
good buddy
3
Randy
spots that
didn't.
night.
He didn't make.
Y'all a bunch of fools. The car wasn't here. I was late.
I was talking to
Me and
Jason
Randy.
Tyson in the staging lane.
Yeah, me and Randy
So
were just sitting there in the stage.
Was
lane
Jason
while the-
Tyson's fault? It's Jason Tyson's fault.
There we go.
But
Now I'm telling you it's his fault.
it's my fault because I couldn't make it. And I couldn't make it tonight either. Zach had to get into driver's
Rely on
meet.
your boys, who can you rely on?
Man, it is hard to get here at 7 o'clock. Zach was on it though. Zach was like here at like 10 till. And so luckily he was able to sit in for the driver's meeting for me. But this is a good pass. I'm not very unhappy with this at all. That's a good number, a good solid number. And we're gonna try to go faster this next pass. We're gonna try to go 2/10 faster. Woo! That'll be personal best.
We need to be. It's going to take 80. Right?
It's gonna take a what?
An 80.
80 what?
480.
480 what?
480 flat.
To do what?
To win.
Oh, I can't beat Dozer out here. His car's too light.
No. We're going to win.
We're gonna win this next round.
Yeah. Damn right.
All right, we're gonna make another pass. guys, well, that wraps our Thursday night test and tune. We're all sweating like little piggies out here. The humidity, Justin looked earlier, is like 80% humidity. I mean, it's practically raining and it's not raining. So, I mean, it was like 82 degrees and 80% humidity. So that was not quite a personal best, but we were real close to a personal best, like really close to a personal best. It got a little bit of tire shake. It wasn't terrible, but it was enough that I did not lift. I could feel it and it drove through it. It didn't have but a 131 60 foot. When I let off at the finish line, y'all, when I get 3 more inches of travel, it's gonna feel like I'm on a roller coaster. Cause when I let off at the finish line, it slammed down and I was like, oh my God, I just went a 450. I mean, it felt like I was flying.
You look at the video, it's been pretty good though.
It's fixing to get 3 more inches of front travel, guys. That's gonna be sick. You know, but out here, I'm not gonna have it that loose. That 3 inches is only gonna be for like no prep situations. But we are done. So we are now spot number 5. We went from number 7 to number 5. So I'm down with that. I am happy. I think we had a very successful day at the track. It was fun. Nothing is broke. We're going to be able to get it back in the trailer on its own. So that's a good thing. Our race on Saturday got rained out because of the hurricane coming. So we are going to probably, on Saturday, we're going to put Brian's motor back in. That's our game plan, is me and Randy's going to go over there to Brian's. He hurt his back, so he's down. So we're going to stick his motor back in the car. So maybe Sunday he can race if we go to 710. Michael Britt's doing a race at 710 on Sunday. It's supposed to be like free entry, $1,000 purse. So we got to get with him. Yeah, Street Invaders, and he's throwing a 28 by 10 race in as well. So we fit that. The only problem is on a Sunday, that's a long ways from the house. So it's kind of tiring. But overall, good night. We had fun. We had a blast. So we're going to wrap it up. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com, get you some merchandise, and hit that join button if you guys are interested in joining our Wednesday night live chats. Those are always fun. We have a good time doing that. All right, later, guys.